Hey, happy Saturday to you. Well, hey, guess what? Got an update on the bot. It's a major update, made some major changes. First of which, updated the back end, so I got even better integration with PayPal. So when you buy a PayPal subscription now, you're going to get a profile ID on your receipt from PayPal. And it turns out that that is definitely related to you. That's a unique profile directly related to you. You take that profile ID and you go over to the bot when you run it and you put that profile ID in, the bot will retrieve the key from our server now. You don't have to worry about checking your emails. You don't have to worry about finding anything. The bot will sync up right there with our server. We're done. Saves me a lot of grief, like Greg. People just couldn't find the keys in the email and couldn't figure out how to put them in. Well, not a lot of people, about 2%, 3%, but still the same. That takes up time. Time is something we don't have a lot of when you've got one or two people doing this sort of thing. So, PayPal integration now. If you take your profile ID, the value of it, and you put it into the code, starting with version 2.1.120 1650 build, I believe. Quotation mark 1650. Yeah, it's been compiled a lot of times. Lots and lots of compiles. From that point forward, no emails, nothing. You just take that in, tie us back into the server, the keys transferred over, and we're good and we're ready to go. Been tested by myself and 2 or 3 of the beta testers. They say it's all good, so that's good. With that said, since I don't have to drop emails anymore, check emails, respond to anything anymore, we have a flash sale on license keys. So I've dropped it down for maybe the first few hundred keys to $25 to sign up and $15 a month. As long as you pay that key is yours for life. $25 to sign up, $15 a month. When it's gone, it's gone. One day we'll just pull it and we'll move on. Definitely, though, as my beta testers are now trying to find drops that are profitable for them. Apparently, that's an issue right now, trying to find a drop that's profitable in this day and age. As soon as they find something, and if they start to get some more successes on those drops, because we test this sucker all the time, the only thing it hasn't been tested against are hyped drops. So as I'm pushing them to test more and more hyped drops, we'll see what we get, and as soon as we get some hype drop success and not just regular drop success or just regular testing success, this key's going away. So because I'll be talking about those hype drops, and this $25 sign up, $15 a month key will be gone. So now's your chance. By the way, those of you who had already bought the very expensive keys in the beginning, I've extended your license for at least 2 years. So you don't have to worry about refreshing, paying up again. I've already chatted with a few of you guys about it. I haven't chatted with some of the other guys about it, but don't worry about subscription, because I just extended your key for 2 years. 2 years. So you're good. Don't even worry about coming back and making another payment. You made a big payment up front. It was really good. I appreciate it. I've cut you a deal. Your key's extended for 2 years. So to those guys, those who I haven't chatted with yet, and the few I have chatted with, just letting you know you're protected. So this group of people, you have your chance now to get in cheap, really cheap. And as soon as we get some hype drop success, where people are reporting those hype drop successes to me, yeah, this key's going bye-bye. We're going to start pushing media and bring the prices up. So just thought I'd let you know that's where we're at. Other good things with this build, the 2.1.120 1650 build. So I've updated the back end, or I've updated the front end native code. We were having some crash and lockup issues that are really bizarre and weird. Turns out the libraries have been upgraded that I use. Upgraded those libraries, tested them out. It's really solid. I'm really happy with what I'm seeing. I'm going to continue to test it some more. And so, the bot's more interactive. When it sees that you don't have a dependency that's up to speed, it will say, hey, update this, update that. It'll help you out a lot. Oh, by the way, with this key, this cheap key, you don't get to get, that doesn't guarantee you an invite to the Discord channel. If you want us to go with the older key, I'll get you an invite to the Discord channel. But with the cheaper key, nah, don't worry about it. It's not there yet. No invites on that cheaper key yet. Anyway, so what else? So yeah, just pushing better, faster updates, cleaner code, faster code. I'm looking at taking some of my code, since it's written in Java, and moving it to the Android platform. Should be an interesting conversion, but they're similar families. I just have to worry about threading issues. But that's programmer talk. They'll still tie into the same back end, so the licensing server and all that's good. Oh, hey, updated information on the licensing. So when you fire up the bot now on the information page, besides telling you the version and how much memory and RAM and stuff you have, it's going to bring up some of your history, like the first time you logged in, the last time you logged in, how many, just basic information, how many times you've used this thing. So you can look at it and go like, oh yeah, hey, I logged in on this day, I've run it this many times. And it's also going to start to, post to you starting pretty soon the tasks that you've run. I've added some more information to the task reporting, so it'll tell you how many times you run a task. So if you, run 20 tasks on one day, it'll, tell us, hey, you've run 20 tasks, or if you run 500 tasks, or it'll give you a grand total of your tasks. And as this builds up, I will start to add more statistics in there to see which tasks worked and which tasks didn't, and give you some feedback and some performance issues to help you tune these things. But right now, the information is being captured in the debug on the server, and the process information is being sent back to the app so you can see what's going on with your account. Anyway, that being said, it's a Saturday. Got lots of hard work done. I'm going to be pushing up this new model here pretty quick. There will be a link in the bottom here on YouTube. And once you come to the YouTube account, if you want to take advantage of this really cheap flash sale, and what I'm hoping you'll do with this flash sale is some of you will just say, you know what, I've spent my $40 here. I'm going to try a drop. I'm going to try a hyped drop. I mean, don't bother testing it against knowns, because we have people that do that all the time. I want more people to test hyped drops. So that's what I'm shooting for. That's what I'm asking you to get in there, get in that key early. And again, it's a win for me, because the more of you guys that test hype drops, the more success we'll have, because it's a numbers game. The more people we have testing, the more success we'll have. More success we'll have, the lower cheap license keys will go bye-bye, and the expensive license keys will start to come in, and those people who missed it, oh well. Anyway, thank you so very much. You have a wonderful Saturday. It was wonderfully weird here in Southern California. I live in a community that never gets rain, and I got stuck in a hailstorm. Can't tell you the last time I've seen anything near snow or hail in the area, but it was a 3-block long hailstorm moving from the mountains to the ocean. Quite a fascinating thing. That was my interesting thing for the day. On one side it was beautiful and sunny, hailstorm in the middle. On the other side it was beautiful and sunny. Go figure. Anyway, hey, that's it. You have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.